All right, I'm just on my walk down to the beach. I already got a nickel, and sounds like a dime, but you never know. So I turned on the camera. I don't see anything. I missed it. Probably still missed it. Ah, there it is. Hey, a silver dime. Actually does. Well, not so much the back, but anyways, the nickel was old too. So this might be sand that they brought in. Let's keep going. Alright, it's pretty dark down here this morning. Thought I was going to be able to show you. So maybe this way. Nah. Too dark. I think the moon's covered up. What's weird is Jordan saw an unidentified flying object. I think it was last night. And he didn't get on camera or anything. And it was I think it was cloudy like this. But what I was going to show you, there's a big sandbar right out here. And there's water just right in front of me right here. Yeah, you can see that. Water. There's big holes. So I'm going to check inside these big holes. Should probably check for fish. See if there's any fish in here. But it's so dark out tonight. I think the moon's supposed to be getting bigger. But anyways, my point is, there's water here. There's a lot of sand out there, like probably too much sand to find anything. So I'm just going to check on this side, right on the shore here, at this spot where I'm at. There's just no signals. Kind of not doing too good. So we'll see what happens. Try to get a penny or something. Alright, I'm out of here. This beach, not even a blip on my detector. I mean, there's just nothing down here. Sanded in real good. That's what I think. Maybe down the beach towards the south might be good, but I just did a long walk north and there's nothing there, so I'm going to assume there's nothing south. It looks the same, what I can see. It's actually a really dark night. On to the next beach. Let's see if we find something today. I should just go back to the spot where I found stuff, but Jordan's been hitting that every night. Alright, we're up here in the dry. Get the sound. Let me get the coin spill. Yeah, I think it did. I saw some shiny in the scoop already. Yep, there's 2 pennies. So, they're shiny. Fresh drops. And we got apparently a quarter, I think. Nope. It is a dime. See anything else? Nope. I'm gonna check the dry a little bit. Maybe we'll get lucky. There's little groups of people everywhere down here. Crazy. It's like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. Coffee. All right. I just wanted to let you guys listen. It is crazy down here. It's 3:45 in the morning. The fish market, people are lining up already. Crazy. People everywhere. People on the beach. This parking lot is packed though. All night long. All right, let's get down there and see if we can find anything. I just want to finish my coffee. All right, we got our first signal. Six. And it's shallow. And I think it's trash. Yep. It's like trash to me. And that looks like a dig mark. Somebody else has been here. Well, we can't get everything, right? They didn't leave a trail. I leave a trail where I go. Anyways, I'm gonna get down there and check in the water. That's why I came here anyways. Let's check this a little bit for a fresh, we're just looking for a fresh drop. This is all sanded in, it looks like. This will be the last one I tape if it's a can. Try to keep it a short video. Yeah, definitely even sounds like a can. Oh, it's not. That's just something different. Huh. Yeah, there's the can right there. This other thing probably wouldn't even ring up. Don't see any metal on it. I'll take it. I'll take the can too. Get it out of here so I don't have to dig it again. Alright. I thought I was digging a can and it wasn't. I haven't even looked at it yet. Oh, it's a cell phone. Well, I knew it was a cell phone. I think the back piece is missing off it. That's actually the battery. Anyways, we'll get it out of the water. Get the trash off the beach. That's almost like finding a can though. Anyways, back at it. Alright, probably aluminum. Solid 11 though, 10. And it's a good sound. But since we're digging so much aluminum, makes me think. Yeah, it's deep. We got it in the scoop. I really get my hopes up actually. Still 10, 11. And there's the aluminum right there. I should be thankful it sounded good. Dang. I was thinking I should go up to that fish market and see what they're getting for those fish and what type of fish they're getting. Anyways, I've been there before, I think I know. I'm going to try doing a little gridding on the, not right up on the, like where I think people were swimming, basically. Let's see what happens. So I just started a circle grid and I did get a sound. It's a good dime sound. Or a silver. And it's in the scoop. See what it is. Oh, there it is right there. Shining on the light. That's what's nice about it at night. You can actually find your targets pretty easy. The light hits the gold, you know, and it just, there it is. Anyways, let's try to make that happen. I'll show you guys to prove it. Well, shortly after that, I got another sound, so 6, 8, 7, whatever. Piece of aluminum. But it should be gold. Low tone, everything. Should be gold. There it is. Beautiful aluminum. Actually, aluminum's pretty good. You can recycle it. You could have a soda in an aluminum can. Anyways, I don't think I'm going to dig any more of those live. I said that before. Now I mean it. Maybe. Well, it's paying off to the grid. Another dime sound. It's probably the same. Yeah, it's probably the same spill. Only a couple feet away from the other one. The sand is real shiny. I remember a few years back somebody said, "Robert, you should pan that. It could be gold. You're in California." That is super light stuff and it ain't gold. Somebody doing a burnout. You look down the coast every once in a while, feel the lights there. You'll see some fireworks jump up because it's almost the 4th of July. But I don't even know what today is actually. I think it's like a half a month away. Okay, I give up. The beach wins this time. But we'll get them next time. We got a phone. We got some change. Mostly pennies. We'll walk up towards the fish market here. Well, those bright lights don't really come out too good, do they? Yeah, I'm just not getting any signals. I mean, they're far and few between. Then when I do get one, it's like a piece of aluminum or a penny. Just discouraging. My knee's really starting to hurt. I gotta start watching my knee. Or go to the doctor, one of the two. Don't want to go to the doctor because if I need an operation on my knee, that's gonna just I'm gonna have to start from zero on my YouTube, which really sucks. I have to give up my career basically. The only thing I have. Anyways, yeah, let's give up while we can. All right. Backup content. We're gonna try to catch a fish. Oh, how funny. Somebody did do this beach now that it's light out. See that line there? They gridded it out all the way down. Wow. So I probably came in at the lower tide and did the lower part. So this beach probably still gets hit regularly. It's a really I guess you'd say common beach to metal detect because there's a lot of people that go here. Anyways, Look at the conditions are really good for fishing. I don't know how the fish are here. I'm just going to try to catch some surf perch. They're usually everywhere. They're usually not too hard to catch. I'll just look in the sand where the sand crabs are. My plan of attack. And typically where the sand crabs are, right there, I see them. Right out, you just fish right out in front of them. And you can usually find some fish right in front of where the sand crabs are. Because guess what? That's what they like to eat. And the sand crabs have to stay close enough to shore to stay away from the fish eating them, and then close enough to the water so the birds won't get them. So you like try to stay in between here. Oh yeah, there's a whole bunch of sand crabs here. I'm just actually going to take a scoop up here and show you what I'm using for bait here. I'll just grab this guy. He thought he was going to get away, but maybe he will. Well, he's a little bit sandy, but just a perfect size. One bite. You can catch them on any size, but if you have it, just make it the size of your hook. That's usually a good thing. This hook, I'm not sure is going to be good because they're probably going to swallow it. Wonder if I can give it to those people standing in line up there to get fish. Set my drag in case we catch a Corbina. Corbina. Alright, where's my sand crab? He's still on there. Oh wow, this line's really invisible. Alright, I'm going to turn you guys on when I get one. This could take a minute. I don't know. This is good. I'm just going to leave it like that. Got one. I don't know if he might have got off. No? Probably a small guy. Or maybe he doesn't know he's caught yet. There he is. See him? There's our first one. Not too big. Dang it, he did swallow it. I hate that. I gotta do like surgery on him. Well, hopefully he makes it. That's not quite big enough to keep, but let's get another one. I think we have another little one on here. It's like not even pulling. Well, maybe there's nothing on there. Maybe it came off. Oh no, it's on there. He's still on there. He's so little. Same size as the last one. Maybe a little bigger. Let's get him up a little better. Can't wait to catch a big. Those are the first two fish I caught with this fishing pole. I knew I could catch these though. But the first time I just tried the lure. There he goes. Didn't give him much water, but he'll make it. There he goes. Yep. Alright, well, I really don't want those. I want the Corbina. But whatever. Or I'll even take a big croaker at this point. I want to see what it's like to pull in a big fish with this. Oh wow, I just had a, okay, I still have them. Got a bigger fish on here. I was just asking for a bigger fish, wasn't I? Let's see what it is. He's fighting a little different. So I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a big perch. Look at that thing. It's huge. Should we keep it? That's a keeper there. I want to keep it. Wow. Alright, let's keep it. That's our first keeper. How much is the limit on these? How many can you catch? Well, I'll just catch, if I catch 3, that would be good for a dinner for my family. That's a big one. Whoa. I'm gonna need my pliers for that guy. Alright. Look. That's my foot is 10.5. It's an 11, at least an 11 inch, 12 probably. 12-inch surf perch, that's pretty big. I gotta turn the camera. You know, he bit, and I set the hook, and then I tried to turn the camera, and I thought I lost him. So I'm just standing here. Corbina came swimming right up here. Sand crabs are right here. So I think I should be casting it closer to shore. I just realized too, every cast I've caught a fish, so pretty easy. This one I'm not getting any bites yet. I think I casted it out too far this time. Hoping to see another one. Nope. That gives me an idea though. I am gonna try. I wasn't sure. I'm gonna try casting right over here, right in front of the sand crab. I've done that before and caught them. Back in the day. In fact, one time on YouTube, there was 2 other fishermen down here and they left. Oh, and I gave that fish away already. Some guy came, that was his wife was standing in line to get some fish, and he goes, "Oh, my wife's standing in line to get the fish." I go, "Hey, if you want this fish, go ahead and take it." He took it. So now I don't have a bag to keep them in. Alright, let's see if we lost our bait on this one. What they do is they bite the head off. Let's see if they did that. I'm just curious. Nope, we didn't even get a bite. Alright, I'm gonna just cast right over here. I'm right by, like, ankle deep. I think I saw one. Alright, turn you guys off. Always rinse off your gear when you're done. It'll last a long time then. We rinsed off the pole already. But I wanted to turn the camera and walk over here. See if we see anything. I see crabs. Little guys. Little crabs. Anyways, that's all we're gonna see. So here's what they bring them in. Just spring trucks, a couple of trucks. Load up. They have little stations and little scales. They weigh the fish, and people come and buy them. They fish all night. Probably from the day before, actually. Anyways. Peek inside there. They even have live fish. They have tanks. Alright, we made it home. And we ended up with 1 nickel, 3 dimes, 9 pennies, a little bracelet, I think, our fishing weight, and a phone that's completely obliterated. There's no back on it. Find of the day to me is this. These things are like gold. They cost a lot actually for a fishing weight nowadays. So as far as value goes, that's probably the best. And it's really good shape, like a fresh loss. I think we found one on our last hunt, yeah. And I never put it away. And that's also a pretty fresh drop. So we got 2 fresh fishing weights. We didn't find much, but we ended up catching our first fish with that fishing pole. And that surf perch was actually a very big one. And I ended up giving it to that guy. I don't know if I taped him or not. There was a guy down there, he started talking to me, and he said his wife was waiting in line to buy some fish, and I go, hey, take that fish there. And he took it. He said no at first. He said, no, I'll feed your family with it. And I'm like, no, I'm going to probably take it up there and give it to somebody else if you don't take it. So he took it. I got the hiccups. All right, let's get the garden update done. My knee is killing me and I'm tired. The spaghetti squash, we planted it over there. It's come all the way over here, over there, and well, here's the beans. We always look at the beans. Still haven't picked them, and I probably never will. They're gonna get overripe and they're not gonna be any good. The pond is, you notice the sun's out, look at it. Everything's so bright and shiny. It's been gloomy like every day. Oh, this is gonna be hard to film. Where'd it go? Actually, we're just gonna go for a zoom in. There it is. This is spaghetti squash. There was a flower the other day, I think in the other video. Now it's a bowl. So we're getting our first spaghetti squash. And I believe there's some more over there somewhere. Strawberry is doing good. The pond is doing good. Then we got these sunflowers. They're way up there. I cannot. You can see the flower now. You could actually eat that right now. Let me hold my hand way up there. Yeah, there's the flower. It's gonna be showing some yellow. I think one of them is actually. And our poblanos. I haven't tried those yet, but I'm going to real soon. And I picked some of these tomatoes already. We're having pork chops, so maybe I'll have it with pork chops. This one looks like it's going to be a red flower. This one I can't tell yet. But this one looks like it's going to be yellow. Where is it? There it is. Looks like it's going to be yellow. I don't know. I can't wait till those flowers bloom. And still haven't pulled the potatoes yet. It said actually 100 days would be July 22nd. It's not even July yet, so it would be a little early. But some of those I can tell they're ready. What was I coming over here for? Oh yeah, one of the flowers is opening up more than the rest of them. You can see it, the actual color. See it? Yellow. Sunflower. So that's going to be a huge... Those are all my strawberries. This is a good place to film them. These are weeds right here. Those are weeds, but they have flowers. Here's one of the weeds. See, there's the flowers that they have. Like daisies. Let's check on our big giant tomato. I would think that'd be getting ripe about now. It's not. Oops, I forgot. You guys can't see unless I zoom in. That one there. Now we're getting more giant ones. And that one's just not getting ripe, so whatever. Look at this plant's coming back. It's a sago palm, I think it's called. And then here's our little suckling we cut off. Here's the other little sucklings they didn't never get transplanted, probably won't. And our suckling is getting bigger. See, here's what I normally do with my sucklings. When I clip them off of there, I just throw them. And sometimes I'll use them as mulch for the other plants to keep the moisture in. Then I pulled this out the other day. Out of here, I was pulling a weed and pulled it out and just stuck it in there because it still had roots on it. And looks like it's gonna make it. I don't know. I don't know how. There's some big beans. Beans everywhere. There's some more beans. I guess I better pick those. Maybe we'll have them with our pork chops today. We don't usually get to eat pork. One person we live with doesn't like pork, so we never eat pork. Yeah, I can't wait to get back down there. That was fun. Actually doing the fishing at the end, I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys like this video. It's getting a little more not just metal detecting, you know. We got the garden, the fishing, and then the metal detecting. And with the night hunts, they're not really good anyways for filming. It would have been, last night I went to one area. If it was daytime, it would have been so beautiful. I could kind of see it through the dark. There was all these pools and the tide went way out. It just looked awesome. I just wished it was daytime. Anyways, the tide's gonna come around to the daytime and we're gonna hunt it. And we'll see beauty this summer. The sky's getting blue here, so hopefully at the beach it will. I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh yeah, I hit 35,000 subscribers. It took forever. I was in the 30,000s forever. I'm so happy. That just made me happy. Don't even look at my how many subscribers I have usually. But when it got to like, you know, almost 35,000, I was like, okay, now I'm looking at it. But I don't usually look at that stuff. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. And if you donated money somehow, I still haven't figured out how you guys are doing that. I'm gonna go try to do it myself and see if I can figure out how you're doing. Like 3 people now have done it. Somebody donated $9.99, and thank you, by the way. And then there was 2 other ones. I think I already mentioned them. Not their names, but I mentioned 2 other donations. But anyways, I want to say thank you. Love you all, and I'll see you, well, in tomorrow's video, if my knee is feeling good enough to go. It's really hurting right now. I'll show you the scar. That's a scar on my knee. Pretty gross, huh? But that's a re-injured problem I have. It's already been fixed when I was young. All right, I'll see you guys.